Happy Grow-Vember, everyone. This is actually our last episode of the series this year for Grow-Vember 2025. A little bit later in the episode, we'll talk about the shirt, the collector's one, that everything goes to charity. We'll also mention our sponsor. But first, I want to go over a topic that I've covered in several different ways over the last 6, 7 years, and I really have, and I'm going to continue to say it with my chest, and I'm going to say it loudly, and here is my statement, and I'm very careful with my words here. I wash my beard every single day, and you should as well. I really firmly believe that, and to get right into it, guys, to hit it right away, washing is using a product like a beard wash, not just using water. Getting in the shower and just using water is rinsing. Washing is using something that's going to clean, cleanse, clarify. I have a video if you want to get more into detail on the differences. Just look up wash versus rinse, Dancy Bearded. But I really believe you should be using a beard wash on your beard every single day. So much of this beard journey is subjective and based on personal preference and even personal variables, more importantly. This is one that I don't think is really personal preference or variables. People will disagree with me, and that's okay. I welcome different opinions. But on other aspects, I don't use balm at all unless I'm testing. That's personal preference. Do I think you should follow that? No, it's whatever you want to do. I haven't trimmed my beard in the last, 8 months. Do I think you should go 8 months without trimming? No, it's all personal preference. I like citrus and mint scents. Do you need to like those? Absolutely not. You can enjoy clove and those other horrendous scents that I don't enjoy. That is rage bait. Go ahead and go crazy in the comments about clove. But I do believe that you should wash your beard every single day. And English, Dan. I'm going to keep saying that because I'm fighting this uphill battle of stigma and regurgitated misinformation. People will say, you should not wash your beard every day because it's going to dry it out. It's going to strip the natural oils. You're going to be killing your beard. Listen, Linda. That's my favorite line, by the way. That is not the case. Kind of. Are you stripping natural oils? Sure, absolutely. That's why we wash our head hair. That's why we wash our body. We should do the same on our beard. You're going to produce more sebum oil. You're going to have beard products to mimic the sebum oil that you're not producing enough naturally anyway, so that's a non-factor. Where does this come from? Why is this something that seems so widely spread and just wrong? Well, we have to remember, this beard product industry is a baby. It started in 2011, and even then, we did not have quality wash options, in my opinion. You had to decide up until the last really kind of 5 to 7, 8 years, whether you were going to wash every day with soap and have your beard be clean, but you were going to kind of strip it away and kill it because a pH of 9 to 11 with the right ratio of ingredients and aspects really can strip the fibers of the hair. That wasn't good. Or you could wash once or twice a week and then have more of a dirty beard, but it wasn't going to be dying as quickly. Hey, that's a tough decision. I don't want to have to make that choice. Thankfully, in 2025, we do not have to make that choice. Over those years, they have formulated beard products specifically for the environment underneath your beard, the skin type, the pH, the pores, the follicles, every aspect underneath here, and the hair itself, where we have daily gentle beard washes that have a pH of around 5.5, that have ingredients that you see are like oils and butters and things we see in our products, where it's going to clean the beard, but it's also going to give back some nourishment so we're not killing it like we're doing when we use head hair products or we use soap every day on our beard. Our head hair usually requires more serious things to get the grease and everything that goes. A gentle daily beard product is something for washing that is so important in my opinion. Do you need to use conditioner every day? No, I don't recommend anyone uses conditioner every day. If you experience tangles and snags, look at using conditioner every other day. It's not even about me saying like, you got to use these products more. You got to do, no. There's many that you don't need to. Wash and oil are both daily for me, for everyone. It's just about finding those right fits. Now, when it comes to the washing, we have so many great options out there that, again, are just getting better and better and better. Today's episode couldn't have a better sponsor. I'm only going to give you guys the sponsors that I really, really believe in and really, really love. And today is the Bearded Mack. I'll put up in the description a discount code. I'll put a link. You don't even have to use that if you guys don't want to. Just shout out to them for making this video possible. They're the perfect option because they have two different options for you for daily wash. One is the Daily Mack, which is their daily beard wash. This is your more traditional liquid. It's kind of like a shampoo, but for the beard, but it is formulated specifically for the beard. You can use this every single day. Your beard will be clean and your beard is not going to die in any way, shape, or form. Or, and I love this, but I do prefer their solid beard wash bar. This thing is absolutely awesome. Comes in this tin here, and you can see I go straight up bar to beard, you guys. This bad boy, get it lathering. The key is you do need to dry it afterwards. If you put it back in this tin, watch out. If you put it back in this tin, which is fine, just make sure that it's not sitting in a pool of water. It will turn to mush. What I try to do is take a little paper towel or even my normal towel after I use it, kind of pat dry it, and then I set it on its side like this because it has less of a surface area that's touching, and to me, I think that's important. I also have a wire soap saver in my bath, and so if I have room there, I will put this on there as well. So these are quality options from a great American-made, American-owned, family-owned company. Again, check them out, you guys. I highly recommend their oil. There's so many products that I love from them, but check it out. We have a couple of collabs actually. Command. Look for the last name Command. All right, Command and Conquer is one of those scents. 2 thumbs up, you guys. All right, so shout out to the Bearded Mack for sponsoring this. Really, to bring this back, you guys. Washing your beard every day is important for a couple of reasons, and I'm going to say this 100 more times, and I really do mean that because some people need to hear it. Your beard is under your nose directly. Your beard is surrounding your mouth with your mustache and your facial hair. You're going to get spit. You're going to get drool. You're going to get food. Even things that you can't control, you're going to get allergens. You're going to get pollutants. You're just going to get life. What about sweat? Did you know sodium comes with sweat? Did you know we need to get that out of the beard because it's dehydrating and can dry your beard out itself? Please wash your beard every day. But Dan, my mom says not to wash hair every day. She only washes her hair once or twice a week. Okay, understood. That hair is going away from their mouth. It is going away from their nose. Very different story there. Also, it's a whole nother story when a lot of times women color treat their hair. You do need to have a different plan of attack if you have color treated hair. I don't recommend anybody color treats their beard. So to put that together, guys, wash your beard every single day. Please let me know questions about this topic and then also share your experience. Were you someone that had to adjust to this? Has it been better? Have you had challenges? I would love to address them all. And then to wrap it up, guys, it is Grow-Vember. We do not make a penny off of this. We donate all proceeds, but my wife every year creates a Grow-Vember collector shirt. This is the back here, my favorite design yet, truly. It's linked in the description. It's on her Etsy shop, and all proceeds go to the Michigan Men's Health Foundation to help guys that can't afford to get physicals, to get checkups, to get blood work done. They rent out Ford Field for a whole day, and they do much more than, that's just kind of their big event, but they help people all throughout the year. But they help guys get those things looked at so they can get ahead of it. So they can be early in detecting things that can end their life or really cause sickness and bring pain. As men, we need to go to the doctor. We need to get our blood checked. It's not about just putting some dirt on and being tough. No. That's silly. We have people that love us, that depend on us, and that need us in their life. We need to do our job in making sure we're taking care of what's going on under the hood. This organization helps with that. And with these shirts, you guys, this is the back here. You can get the logo on the front as like a little pocket logo, or what I prefer is I get it on the sleeve, and you'll see the option out there. Either way, going to a great place, and I think it's just a really cool shirt. So thank you guys for watching today. Can't wait to hear about your wash rotation and routine. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.